Now let's see how much money we can make on a small time frame, the lazy way, and how fast we can make it. So if you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want to have this pocket option auto trader completely for free yourself, you find a link below the video so you also can get started today for free. Now let's start up the robot and let's see how much money we can make in the shortest time possible.
Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom. Yeah, yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah. Let's see.
And just like that, we made $1,069 in matter of like 1.5 minutes. How amazing is that? So, if you want to have this binary option robot yourself, you find a link below the video and you also can get started today completely for free. So with that, have an amazing day.